What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kayla, last name Robertson. If you're new here, hey. If y'all been here, welcome back, welcome back. How y'all doing? Today's Wednesday. I'm feeling wonderful on this Wednesday. Y'all can't really see me, but today we are going to be making shrimp scampi. And I'm going to show y'all the ingredients that we have. It's going to be the creamy shrimp scampi. So we have our shrimp. It's peeled and the tail's off already. We got butter, sweet bacon. We got 4 lemons. We're going to need all of these. We got basil, parsley, obey. KJ is standing right here, by the way. We got garlic powder, black pepper, minced garlic, crushed red pepper, Parmesan cheese, paprika, olive oil, white wine, and linguine noodles. So y'all can see them. You're supposed to put them all close up. It's gonna be in my TikTok. I'm also making a TikTok, by the way, so I'm gonna put that in the description. Make sure y'all go watch that. So right now I have the water boiling on this pot. If y'all can see it's back there. It's been boiling for probably like 5 minutes. We're gonna season the shrimp.
Don't break the noodles in half.
Don't break them in half?
No.
We're not gonna break them in half.
Nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dirty. Most of the things.
Alright, y'all, so first what you're gonna do is wash your hands. Don't mind AJ, he is here.
Make sure to wash your hands. You can't be filthy. We don't tolerate filthiness around our house.
So, pull your shrimp out, drain it, rinse it. Oh yeah. So yeah, I'm about to season this shrimp. Need some olive oil. Make sure you're seasoning it real good. Garlic powder. And so, right, I put this much first. Oh, well, I think these put a lot of this.
Just a few. I think he finna show Jay and Hurst him up there. Only thing we need is to do what he gotta do. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, y'all, I'm finna zest this lemon. But first, I'm gonna put these noodles in the water because it's boiling. My brother said, laser to not to break them in half. So I'm not gonna do that.
Like, and it's so low.
I'm adding lemon to the shrimp.
Picking fueling severe weather beach burgers right here along Lake Michigan. Struggling to secure those tents and howling winds, those umbrellas, and a confirmed microburst slamming Brooklyn in the past 24 hours. Let's get back to see you on this Ron Marciano tracking it all for us. Hey, Ron.
Make sure these noodles not sticking to them. I'm gonna make my shrimp different. So the seasoning from this is gonna go into the sauce that I'm supposed to make. He said cook until pink. I think these look fine enough to be cut off. So I'll cut them off and make my sauce. So right here is the butter sauce from when I first tried to make this shrimp. We just gonna use that. We gonna use another. Half a stick.
Wait, let me get my skin.
You wanna add your olive oil. Not too much, I guess. Heavy cream, heavy whipping cream. So you want to pour some of this. I'm really gonna lemon juice. Heavy whipping cream. You know what I feel like I did? I feel like I messed up. Hey y'all, it's Kayla from editing. I just want to come on here and say, don't never doubt yourself and don't ever underestimate yourself. Because I'm not gonna lie, now that I'm looking at this clip, it's just crazy that I doubted myself. But the food actually came out really good. So we added mozzarella. Just need a little Parmesan. Then you gotta season it. Gotta season everything. And a pinch of basil. Y'all, listen, don't worry about it. But make sure that you mix it well. And then I'm gonna add the shrimp up in here. You can put it back up. So. But my camera overheated. I need to figure out why I keep overheating at such random moments. Because it's kind of making me mad that I have to keep recording on my iPad. And my iPad don't be having much storage. So, yeah. What you're gonna do is, I think it's I'm gonna let it sit for like 3 minutes. Just add a little bit of this. A little bit. Some of this. I'm trying to figure out how much I actually. Put a lid on it and let it come to the board. Just my first video, but and then I'm finna clean up my mess and stuff and get the camera out of here. And then the next clip y'all gonna be seeing me eat. Alright y'all. So don't mind the way I look. It's the end of the day. So my cousin is right here.
My name.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
My name Malaka.
This is my brother.
Yeah, y'all ain't see me yet. The best looking one. You feel me?
Anyway. AD.
Follow me on Instagram at baby_ales with a Z underscore.
And follow me. It's YNG KVOOO. Yeah.
Those are gonna be in the description box, I guess. Come on.
Ain't no I guess. They're gonna be in there.
The bodyguard right there.
Come in closer, bro.
Cool. This is bodyguard for real. Keep the thing. You taking no? You can't see
As
nobody
you can
else.
see,
Hey, you just bumped my sister.
as you
bro.
can see, these are some very tall black folks.
I'm 4'7".
Anyways,
I'm short.
I'm 4'7".
Oh yeah, I'm 6 foot.
I'm 5'11". I'm like 6'10" then.
You not 5'11".
You hear this man?
You like
Bro, my play like.
this mom? Yeah, Caleb, you tell him he not 5'11" because the doctors told me I was 5'11" for real. But I'm just saying I'm 6 foot.
No.
He look taller than you.
AD taller than you.
No, he's not.
That's sad.
Pow!
AD. how
This
many
is
times
what
we
it
been
looks
standing
like.
next to each other and I've been
my
talking
brother
to
getting
you?
mad because the doctor told you how tall you is. 6 foot, right?
Yeah.
They told him he was 6 foot. Don't
Tell him he not 5'11" because the doctors told me I was 5'11" for real. But I'm just saying I'm 6 foot.
Here you go, come on.
Back to turn around, back to back.
Man, come on, I ain't gonna lie. Come on, I'm taller.
Hold on.
I know that. I'm taller.
Yep, the shoulders. That's because he got.
Yeah, it's
And-
the shoulders, bro.
Wait, y'all.
Who gave me this?
I already tasted it. It's good. I'll take my mama Weibo.
Only thing you gotta do.
Nobody wants your beer belly.
Only thing you gotta do in this world
That's
is
not what
worry
we're talking about. We're talking
about.
about the shoulders.
Only thing you gotta do in this world is worry about one thing in your life. Guess what it is?
As you can clearly tell, they think it's good because they over there messing it up.
You don't eat shrimp?
Thank you for trying it, though.
You can't?
It's good. No, I don't like it.
You still gonna eat it without the shrimp?
Yeah.
Where's
Gee,
my
you
water bottle?
tripping.
Where's my water bottle?
G, you tripping. The nigga just said
What do you guys
he
think?
cooked some food last night and shit. And he made Kiki some motherfucking
You know,
he said he made Kiki some lamb chops last night.
Mama did.
Like that, I really could have. I'm eating like this for the video. Y'all fat.
Oh, girl, it's good.
No, y'all did supposed to take a picture though with everybody eating like that.
Oh, we were supposed to make them.
Like yeah.
So,
I mean, popping out fresh every day. I swear.
Wipe your mouth.
Who?
I was giving everybody. First of all, I was giving everybody a paper towel.